How to update Roblox on Mac. First of all, you just need to go to the website on any web browser, type in roblox.com/home. So you go to a screen here, then you want to click on any game. It doesn't matter what the game is really, so to scroll down, I'm going to use Pet Simulator X here, but any of them all work similarly. Go ahead and click the green open and start button on here. Then it should say that it's loading, and then eventually a message will pop up whether you actually have it installed or not. There'll be something here where you have to click the black button. For you, it might say update, or potentially if you don't have it on your device, it's going to ask you to download it. Either which way, this is the way to go through everything and then actually get it done. So potentially you might need to click through the Roblox installer, click open, or it might just be as simple as click update. Depending on what's going to be on your MacBook, it might be different. But either which way, eventually you get this loading screen. It will eventually download, then you'll have the updated version of Roblox on your map and you'll be able to play. Leave a like on the video for help, to subscribe for more helpful videos.